everyone and UTARians. I'm C. Chinian from UTAR. I'm doing Bachelor in Accountancy in UTAR. Today I'm here because I've joined this Talent Time Showcase, which I'm going to show my talent in baking. So let's go and bake. Before we get into baking, let me share you the purpose of me participating in this Talent Time Showcase. Actually, I love baking so much. I self-learned many baking skills. Today I'm going to bake a very simple butter cake, and I'm going to turn it into a butterscotch and brownies cake with an elegant decoration. So let's get started with the ingredients. We have butter, sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, white egg yolk, butterscotch sauce, vanilla essence, and also flour. I'm going to add this butter into the mold. Then we're gonna mix this sugar. We're gonna mix these two. We're gonna beat these two until it become a bit fluffy. Okay, now this is the texture that I said, fluffy and also white and fluffy, you know? So now I'm gonna add in the egg yolk. I have separated the egg yolk and also the white egg just now. Flour and milk alternatively. So first we're gonna add in this flour into it. And this is the last portion of the flour. Batter is partially ready, as you can see. Now I'm gonna just add in 2 tablespoons of butterscotch sauce. Just mix it well. I'm gonna add in a teaspoon of essence vanilla. So the batter is partially ready. As you can see, the batter has turned a little bit brownish. Okay, now I'm gonna add this white egg. So we're gonna beat this white egg until it becomes a soft peak. Check whether the egg white is ready and it's already become soft peak or not. You can actually just turn this thing upside down and it start falling. So it's actually done. I'm just gonna fold in this white egg into the batter that we prepared just now. So this pan you can actually prepare in a parchment. You have to put a parchment paper. Now this is a 6-inch pan. The recipe I used actually is for 1 kg, so I'm just gonna pour half of this batter inside the pan. So you have to remember, always remember that you have to preheat your oven 10 minutes before you put in your cake. So 160 Celsius. It also depends on your own oven actually. So my oven is gonna be 160 degrees Celsius, and I'm gonna bake it for 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, once you're done putting in this batter into this pan, you have to tap 3 times or 2 to 3 times now. Okay, so that the batter will sit properly. Now I'm just this is how it looks like, as you can see. And then now I'm gonna just put it in the oven and bake for 45 minutes. I've already put the cake batter in the oven. While waiting for the cake to bake, I'm gonna make brownies. And let's get started with the ingredients. We have flour, sugar, baking powder, essence vanilla, chocolate chips, 2 eggs, cocoa powder, butter, and hot water. I'm gonna add in this cocoa powder first, and then we're gonna add in this baking powder. Just mix it well, just stir and mix it well. And then we're gonna add in this half of it melted butter. Just half of it, because we're gonna add in the remaining butter at the end of this process. Okay, so we're just gonna stir well until it mixes well. Of hot water, just gonna add in all. Now I'm gonna add in all the sugars, about 300 gram sugars, and then I'm gonna mix 2 eggs inside. Just mix all together. Okay, let's mix this first. The melted butter just now. Okay, I've already mixed it well enough. Now I'm gonna add in a teaspoon of essence vanilla. Just mixed it well, and I'm gonna add this flour into it. Maybe 2 portions. Now I'm gonna add in the second portion, and we're just gonna mix it well. So just pour all the chocolate chip into it and just mix it well. Okay, now I'm gonna pour this batter into the pan. Okay, now I have poured the brownies batter into the pan. This is a 6-inch pan. So after you pour, you just have to tap about 2 times, and then it's ready to go to the oven. You have to bake about 45 minutes to be crunchy. I want it to be like really crunchy, and it's 160 Celsius lah. Okay, the butterscotch cake and the brownies are chilled now, so I'm gonna prepare the butter icing for the cake now. So let's get started with the ingredients. This is butter. I'm gonna mix with icing sugar and also a little bit of essence vanilla.